In this lesson, you learn 20 essential French phrases to help you start speaking French. I show you each phrase with its English meaning. But before we begin, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's get started. Comment ça va? How are you? It's very common and slightly more complete than just ça va. Comment ça va? How are you? Très bien. Very well. A positive answer to comment ça va. Someone asks you comment ça va? You can say très bien or sometimes très bien. Merci. Comme si, comme ça. So. You can use it when you are not great and not bad. So. Comme si, comme ça. Ça va? Comment ça va? You can say comme si, comme ça. So. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. So, when you meet someone for the first time, example, je m'appelle Elnas. Enchanté, enchanté. But because I'm a woman, we should add an extra E at the end of enchanté. Enchanté, enchanté. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. À bientôt. See you soon. Use this when you expect to see the person again. À bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. See you soon. À demain. Only use this if you will meet the person the next day. À demain. See you tomorrow. Okay? See you tomorrow. À demain. Pas de souci or pas de souci. Pas de souci or pas de souci, which means no problem. It's very common. Pas de souci. Pas de souci. For example, someone tell you merci beaucoup. You can say pas de souci. Pas de souci. No problem. Bien sûr. Of course. Use this to say yes politely and clearly. For example, tu peux m'aider? Can you help me? Bien sûr. Of course. Peut-être, which means maybe. You can use this when you are not sure about something. For example, tu viens ce soir? Tu viens ce soir? Are you coming tonight? Peut-être. Maybe. Peut-être. Maybe. Je pense que, which means I think. It's very useful when you want to give your opinion. Je pense que c'est une bonne idée. I think it's a good idea. Je pense que. I think that. Je crois que. I believe that. It's very, very common. Je crois qu'il a raison. I believe that he's right. D'habitude, which means usually. For example, d'habitude, je me lève à 7 heures. Usually, I wake up at 7 o'clock. En général, which means in general. For example, en général, les Français mangent tard, which means in general, French people eat late. J'ai besoin de, which means I need. You can use this when you need help or something specific. For example, j'ai besoin d'aide. I need help. Je n'ai pas le temps. I don't have time. It's very, very useful in daily French. For example, désolé, je n'ai pas le temps. Sorry, I don't have time. C'est possible? Is it possible? C'est possible? Is it possible? Polite and very practical. Example, c'est possible demain? Is it possible tomorrow? Ce n'est pas grave. It's not serious. Ce n'est pas grave. It's not serious. Use this to reassure someone. For example, désolé, ce n'est pas grave. Sorry, it's not a big deal. It's not serious. It's okay. Ça dépend. It depends. It's very, very common. It depends. Ça dépend. For example, tu viens avec nous? Ça dépend. Are you coming with us? It depends. Tu viens avec nous? Ça dépend. Are you coming with us? It depends. Je suis d'accord. Je suis d'accord. I agree. When you say je suis d'accord, it's a little bit stronger than just d'accord. Je suis d'accord. Je suis d'accord. Je suis d'accord avec toi. Je suis d'accord avec toi. I agree with you. À tout à l'heure, which means see you later. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. See you later. See you later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try to remember these phrases because they will help you make sentences in French. In the next lesson, I will share more useful phrases for A1 and A2 levels. Have a wonderful day and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao!